Your soul's dream is about to come to you so naturally and easily. And how? Well, in this video, I will share with you one thing that by doing this one feel-good thing, your dream just naturally and easily comes to you. Life will bring this dream to you by following this one thing. Before we go into that one feel-good thing, let me open up this book and read you a story. Once upon a time, there was a woman who worked at a 9 to 5 she was not passionate about. Not at all. However, this woman had free time, and she had a hobby. She had a hobby that she was truly passionate about. That woman had a love for dance. She loved dancing. She used all her free time taking dance classes. When is the next dance class? Let me take a look. I'm so attending this dance workshop and this dance course and this dance mastery program. She used all her free time taking dance classes for years and years. Then things unfolded so in her life that she was offered an opportunity to start teaching dance. And she took that opportunity. She started to, besides going to dance classes, teaching dance. And that as well was something that she truly loved to do. Things also naturally unfolded so that she got opportunities to join performing groups. So she also started to perform in shows, in dance shows. And when time passed by and things naturally again unfolded in her life, she also eventually started to create choreographies for competitions, dance competitions, and dance shows. And oh, how she loved that as well. That woman was living her dream during her free time. And that woman was me years back. My dream easily and naturally unfolded in front of my eyes. My dream naturally came to me by doing this one simple thing. I simply followed my highest passion in the moment and took one inspired feel-good step at a time. That brought my dream to me. That way I got to experience my dream in my 3D physical reality, in my life. How about you? Let's talk about you, my love. What is now your soul's highest passion? And what is that one inspired, feel-good step? One simple feel-good step that you feel inspired to take now, related to your highest passion, your soul's highest passion. It's so simple and natural. Simply take that one feel-good inspired step at a time, and your soul's dream, whatever it might be, just naturally comes to you. Life brings that dream to you when you just take that one step in each and every single moment. And hey, now I'm excited to hear that is there a dream in your life that you once had that was aligned with your soul's highest passion at that time, that simply, naturally came to you by you following that highest passion, by you taking that one inspired feel-good step at a time. If there has been such a dream in your life that you'd love to share, feel free to drop a comment. And I'd love to witness and see and hear about that.